Put the verb into correct form. Past continuous or past simple. I saw Sue in town yesterday, but she not see me. She looked the other way. 2. I met Tom and Jane at the airport a few weeks ago. They go to Paris and I go to Rome. We have a chat while we wait for our flights. I cycled home yesterday when a man steps out into the road in front of me. I go quite fast, but luckily I managed to stop in time and not hit him. Put the verb into the correct form, past continuous or past simple. Jenny was wait for me when I arrived home. What you do at this time yesterday? I was asleep. Please, you go out last night. No, I was too tired. 4. How fast you drive when the accident happened? 5. Sam take a picture of me while I not look. 6. We were in a very difficult position. We not know what to do. 7. I haven't seen Alan for ages. When I last see him, he tried to find a job. 8. I walk along the street when just suddenly I hear footsteps behind me. Somebody follow me. I was 9. When I was young, I want to be a pilot. 10. Last night I dropped a plate when I do the washing up. Fortunately, it did not break. Present perfect. I have done. Study this example situation. I have lost my key. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key. He has lost his key. He lost it recently and he still doesn't have it. Have has lost is present perfect simple. I, we, they, you have, I have finished. He, she, it has, he, etc. finished. I, we, they, you have, I have, etc. finished. I, we, they, you have lost. He, she, it has lost. I, we, they, you have done. I, she, it has done. The present perfect simple is have, has, plus past participles. The past participle often ends in ed, finished, decided, etc. But many important verbs are irregular, lost, done, written, etc. For a list of irregular verbs, see Appendix 1. B. When we say that something has happened, this is usually not new information. Oh, I have cut my finger. The road is closed. There has been an accident. From the news, police have arrested 2 men in connection with the robbery. When we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. Where's your key? I don't know. I have lost it. I don't have it now. He told me his name, but I have forgotten it. I can't remember it now. Is Sally here? No, she's gone out. She's out now. I can't find my bag. Have you seen it? Do you know where it is now? See, note the difference between gone to we use already to say that something has happened sooner than expected. Don't forget to pay your electricity bill. I have already paid it. What time is Mark leaving? He's already left. Yes, till now. Yet shows that the speaker is expecting something to happen. Use yet only in questions and negative sentences. Has it stopped raining yet? I have written the email, but I haven't sent it yet. E. You can also use a for simple. This event had etc. in example on this page. So you can say, is Sally here? No, she went out. Or no, she's gone out. Are you hungry? No, I just had lunch. Exercises 7.1. Read the situation and write sentences. Use the following verbs in the present perfect. Arrive, wait, fall, go up, grow, improve, lose. 1. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. Tom has lost his key. 2. Lisa can't walk and her leg is in plaster. Lisa. 3. Last week the bus fare was found 1.8. Now it is found 2. D. You can use the present perfect with just already and yet. Just a short time ago, are you hungry? No, I have just had lunch. Hello, have you just arrived? We use already. E. You can also use the past simple grid when had etc. in the example on this page. So you can say, is Sally here? No, she went out. Or no, she's gone out. Are you hungry? No, I just had breakfast. Seven.1. Read situation and write sentences. Use the following verbs in the present perfect. Arrive, break, fall, go up, grow, improve, lose. 1. Tom is looking for his key, he can't find it. 2. Lisa can't walk and her leg is in plaster. 7.2. Put in, been or gone. James is on holiday, he's gone to Italy. 2. Hello, I have just to the shops, I have bought lots of things. 3. Alice isn't here at the moment, she's to the shop to get a newspaper. 4. Tom has out. 2. Hello, I have just to the shop, I have bought lots of things. 3. Alice isn't here at the moment, she's to the shop. 7.3. Complete these sentences. Make sentences from the words in brackets. 1. Would you like something to eat? No thanks. I have just had lunch. I just had lunch. 2. Do you know where Julia is? Yes, I just see her. 3. What time is David leaving? He already leaves. 4. What is in the newspaper today? I don't know. I'm not read it yet. 5. Is who coming to the cinema with us? No, she already see the film. 6. Are your friends here yet? Yes, they just arrived. 7. What does Tim think about your plan? 7.4. Rate the situation and write sentences with just already or yet. 1. After lunch, you go to see a friend at her house. She says, would you like something to eat? You say, no thank you, I have just had lunch, have lunch. 2. Joe got out. 5 minutes later, the phone rings and the caller says, can I speak to Joe? You say, I'm afraid, go out. 3. You are eating in a restaurant. The waiter thinks you have finished and starts to take your plate away. You say, wait a minute, not finished. 4. You plan to eat at a restaurant tonight. You phoned to reserve a table. Later your friend says, shall I phone to reserve a table? 5. You know that a friend of yours is looking for a place to live. Perhaps she has been successful. Ask her, you say, fine. 6. You are still thinking about where to go for your holiday. A friend asks, where are you going for your holiday? You say, not decide. 7. Linda went shopping, but a few minutes later, present perfect, I have done. Study this example conversation. Grave. Have you traveled a lot? Jane. Jane, yes, I have been to lots of places. Grave. Really, have you ever been to China? Jane, yes, I have been to China twice. Grave. What about India? Jane, no, I haven't been to India. When we talk about a period of time that continues from past until now, we use the present perfect, having, have traveled, etc. Here, Dave and Jane are talking about the places Jane